Hello everyone, welcome to TechCAD Guru, civil engineers and the architects. So in today's module or today's session of Autodesk Revit 2023, we are going to see adding walls in the floor plans, how to add the floor plans in the new project which we have created. And before this, we have created levels and grids. So please go through that videos if you have not yet, gone through it. So we'll focus today on module 4, which is adding walls in the floor plans. So let's start the Revit. Let's go in the new project, select a project with architectural template. So all these, selection criteria and of this UI, I have already shared you the information in the module 1. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe, like and share. Click on the project. Let's wait, it's opening. I don't know why this project is always coming over here. I think so I need to save one project so that it will appear here. Yes, so in module 2, I have also shared how to create grids. So I will just randomly click grids, draw the walls properly. Yes, so let's go into the, site first in 3D. So level 0 is the bottom, level 1 is above it. So what we will do, we'll create more levels to understand how the walls go from levels to level. So we will go into the elevation and just I will, create similar here and here. Yes, so let's go into the level 0. What you have to do to create a wall, just type on your keyboard WA, which is the shortcut of the wall command. Okay, or else you can select from here. And then what you have to do is first click, second click. So now you can see that. So this is the line LW, or you can do LW line command. Yes, so these are the thin lines which you can off or we can make it on. The shortcut is TL to make it visible darker, TL to make it visible sharper, TL. So now, once again, if I click on WA, you can see over here, there are the options height unconnected, then this is something 8000, what is it is exactly we will see. The location line, the chain and the offset. Okay, so now you can see that wall center line is selected. So if I click 1, 2, you can see it is coming from the center of the wall or the center of the line. Now similarly, click WA, select the next option, core center line. See here. So you can see core center line. It is selecting the core of the core center line. Let's make it normal wall so it won't be confusion for you guys. Yeah, so for example, create similar, then finish face exterior. So see, first click and second click. See, as you can see that this face is the finish place and this face is the interior face. Again WA, if you go by this to this, you can see it's coming at the bottom. If you go at from this to this, it will come at the upper side. So now select finish face interior is the opposite of this. Click done. So this is the exterior one. This is the finish face of interior one. So these are the drawing styles of the wall. Same for the core exterior and interior. Now Before drawing these all walls, what you have to do is, again select WA, select the wall type, whichever you want, okay? Select this. For example, I want right now exterior. I want it, inside the grids. Then height should be, select it as 4000 mm, okay? This is unconnected. So here, all the levels which you have in the project, there will be visible, okay? And now, from level 0 to level 1, I want it till level 1. So what I will do is, first click, second click, okay? Then, again WA, I want from 0 to level 2. 0 to level 2. Again WA, I want it at 0 to level 3. 0 to level 3. Okay. So if you go into the 3D option, see, this was the first, which was 0. We drafted it till level 1. This is the second wall. We created it on level 0, which means the level 0 plan, and then it went till level 2. Similarly, this was the plan, level 0. We created it up to level 3. Okay. Now, once it is created, you might have question that can we change it? Yes, we can change it. For example, if I want it this till level 0, till level 1, it will go till level 1. If I want this at level 3, it will go till level 3. If I want this at level 2, this will go at level 2. Also, if I want this wall from level 2 or level 1 to level 3, it will go level 1 to 3. Similarly, if I want this at level 2 to level 3, this will go level 2 to 3. And this till level 2, level 1. So, in level 1, level 0, this wall will be visible. In level 1, this, and in level 2, this. So, if we go in the floor plan, see, this is visible and this is hidden line. It means that ये वाला जो है, ये bottom में है. Level 2, see, and level 3. So, level 3 में कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा. So, it's like that. So, I hope you have understand regards how the wall works and how to draw the wall. So, if you want to know more about walls, you can just, go into the edit type and then duplicate and then create your own wall. So, for example, if I want to create here a wall named as AutoCAD Guru, click an OK button, then go into the edit type in the structure, and you can, set the thickness of the wall. So, if I want 250 mm, so I have set OK. Then graphics, I want it in red color, just to show you guys. Okay. And that's it. Okay. See. So for example, if I go into 3D, this is what it became at 250 mm. If you go in the top, if you select DI dimension, see, this is 250. And if you have created that wall type, which is named as AutoCAD Guru, and if you want to apply the same in these levels, select this, Control plus select this, and just search for AutoCAD Guru. See, this will automatically change. You can see it is automatically changing. So this is all about the walls, how to draw it and juggle with it. So if you have any doubts regards the wall command, just comment down in the comment section and ask your queries so that we can reply you. So that's all for today's session or today's module. In the next module, we are going to see some new elements which will be more creating some compound walls, or we will go with some new modules. So stay tuned for the next module. Hope you subscribe, like and share our channel, which will make us, to grow better. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.